Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tal's World. The girls who are following me on the Instagram know exactly well that today is going to be the Caitlyn Jenner MAC collection makeup look. So if you girls are not following me on the Instagram, I'm going to link it down below and somewhere on the screen. Do check it out. And enough of jibber jabber, I am so very excited about this video, so let's get on with the video. A few days back on Instagram, I did share that I made some purchase on Nykaa.com and that was the Caitlyn Jenner MAC collection, and I purchased 3 things. One was the lipstick in a nude color. I just had 2 options, a red and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I also would like to point out one more thing, that this nude color is actually very similar to your natural lip color as compared to the other nude colors which come close but not exactly similar. Item was the blush slash highlighter in a pink color, and it gives you a very natural warm feel and a color to it. It is not very made up makeup, it is very natural and it is right up my alley. I really like this color. And the third one was the eyeshadow that I'm wearing. This is the darker purple color. Instagram page of Nykaa, some experts were suggesting that this was the eyeshadow to be, so I purchased this eyeshadow and went ahead with an expert opinion rather than using my own opinion on it. So there are a few other things also that I used in this makeup look, and I'm going to link everything down below because I recently purchased it all from Nykaa.com. So now let's get on with the makeup. So this is my second attempt for the makeup. The first thing I'm going to use is take the white eyeshadow and just make it as a base for my eyes for the colors to pop out. Now I'll be using the nude color for the base of my eyes. Now I'm going to use the blush nude palette from Maybelline and use the same champagne color but in a darker range on the crease of my eyes. And then follow it up with the pinkish lighter shade for the rest of the eyes. And now it's time for the Caitlyn Jenner Worthy Velvet eyeshadow. I'm just going to be taking some amount of it and place it on my eyelids. It's a very pigmented eyeshadow, as you can see. So I thought of doing justice to Worthy and just place it on my eyes rather than blending it out. And now just to cut the color that is so strong, I'm going to be using a champagne golden color from MAC called Woodwinked. And I'm just going to place it on the corner of my eyes. And now it's time to put the highlighter under the eyebrows, which is more champagne in color. And now it's time for the Maybelline eyeliner, as usual. Now I'll be using the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect mascara from Maybelline. And this is how my eyes look. Yay! Finally I did some makeup. So this has an ombre effect to it. Now I'm just going to clean up anything that's under my eye with the foundation powder from L'Oreal. And now it's time for the bronzer. I'm going to attempt to make a sign of 3 on my face and then blend it out. Now it's time for the Caitlyn Collection Buddy Powder Blush, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love how it looks. It is so nice, it is so dense and still looks so natural. Love it. And now some highlighter. I prefer to use the sponge because I think it makes the highlighter sit better. And now I'm going to line my lips with the nude liner. And time for some Rocket lipstick. I love the color. It looks so natural and so regal. Yay! I finally did some makeup. And this is my complete look and my model moment. I hope you you girls like this makeup look, and if you do, please give a thumbs up and let me know whether you like this kind of videos, because I have unleashed a dragon on trying out new makeup. This is, I think, the second time I'm wearing makeup this week, and I'm surprised at myself. So we can do this kind of videos where makeup for beginners or simple makeup looks, because I'm a beginner myself and I don't like to overdo makeup as of now. So I think it'll be a good range of videos that we could do. So do let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see that. And now that's all for the video for this time. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye.